Project topic name is Effect of Multiple Taxation on Business Survival. Subject name is Entrepreneurship Development. And project guide name is Miss Kalyani Kutte ma'am. Group members are Sakshi Mangade, Pragati Sonavni, Shreya Pawar. And this is the project content. Abstract statement of the problem. Objective of the study, research hypothesis, significance of the study, scope and limitations of the study, definition of terms and taxes. Abstract. This abstract is researchers to identify the effects of multiple taxation on the survival of business in on the business of survival. There are dynamic factors. However, the dynamic factors responsible for these ultimately close-ups are tax-related issues ranging from multiple taxation to enormous tax burdens. Finding revealed that multiple taxation has negative effects on business survival, and the relationship between business size and its ability to pay taxes is significant. And the statement of the problem is it is the although there is a general perception that is an important source of revenue for development of the economy, business are faced with the problem of high tax rates, multiple taxation, complex tax regulations, and lack of proper alignment or education about tax related issue. Multiple taxation, which is worm eating deeply and the large chunk of revenue generated by this business survival for their growth and survival. Then objective of the study, taxation is to help government to grow, increase investment and attract investors to country. A good taxation system are meant to encourage enterprise investors and individuals to engage in behavior that is socially responsible and or benefit the community. This enhances the enterprise performance and hence economic growth. The objective of granting taxation to business is to enhance government growth and development, thus contributing to the overall economic development of the country. Multiple taxation on business. The study found that taxation measures were used to stimulate enterprises growth and performance. Statement of hypothesis. There are statement of hypothesis, and that is the definition of the terms. It is the diagram for definitions terms. Taxes, there are the types of taxes: central taxes and state taxes. Conclusion. This is the conclusion of this project. The study examined the effect of multiple taxation on the survival of business. The researchers established relationship between businesses sizes and their ability to pay taxes, multiple taxations and business survival. The researchers therefore conclude that multiple taxations affect the survival and growth of business. Order to make compliance easier for them. This includes clear and simple tax regulations and an undemanding tax filing process. The use of information technology should be encouraged. The tax administrators should improve their support services towards business. For example, small business owners should be educated on issues such as taxes they are expected to pay and the incentives and exemptions they are eligible for. Thank you.